Hi buddies, welcome back. Today I want to show you a few tips and tricks of what you can try if your Samsung Galaxy S24 isn't charging anymore. And the first thing we want to do is to check if this part right here and then also this part where the cable goes in on our phone are clean, because dirt might stop our phone from charging, and if that's clean, try again and maybe that already solved your problem. Next thing you can do, try the cable that this phone isn't charging with another device, see if that works. Then your phone might be the problem. If that still doesn't work, then your cable might just be broken. Go ahead, try another one, and hopefully that will then work. Next thing you can do is you can go ahead and check for a software update, and for that we need to go to our settings, go all the way down to software update, and then click on download and install. And now it's checking for updates. Our software is up to date right now, but if you have an update available, go ahead and install that, and then hopefully that fixes some bugs in the background that you didn't even know of, and then you will be able to, well, hopefully charge your phone again. Next thing we can do is we will restart our phone, and for that we will press and hold the power on and off button until we get this menu, and we will say restart, tap again to restart your phone, and now our phone is restarting. This might also fix some bugs in the background, and hopefully after that our phone will charge again. So it's restarting now. Now we're back and we need to unlock our SIM card. And hopefully now your phone is able to charge again. One last thing we can try, we will go ahead and make a forced reboot. For that we will press the power on and off button and the volume down button. Keep pressing beyond this point, keep pressing until we see the logo. Let go, and now it starts again. That might as well fix some bugs in the background, and you will hopefully be able to charge your phone again after that one. If that still doesn't work, I'm really sorry, but you might have a hardware problem on your phone and you want to go get that fixed so that you can use your phone normal again, that it charges, and that you don't need to buy a new phone. So that are a few things you can try if your Samsung Galaxy S24 doesn't charge anymore. Hope you liked it, hope it helped. If so, thumbs up, share and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.